In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet using one link for multiple meetings. This process will help streamline your scheduling and make it more convenient for both you and your participants. Whether you are planning recurring team meetings, virtual classes, or simply want an easy way to reconnect with your friends without setting up a new meeting each time, this method is perfect for you. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by going to the Google Meet website in your web browser or by opening the Google Meet app on your device. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is click on New Meeting. You should see a few options, and what you are looking for is Create a Meeting for Later. This option is specifically designed for situations where you need to generate a meeting link that can be reused. When you select Create a Meeting for Later, Google Meet will generate a unique meeting link. This link is your gateway to multiple meetings without the fuss of constantly generating new links. It's important to handle this link with care to ensure it's available whenever you need it. So go ahead and copy the meeting link. You can often do this by clicking on the copy button that appears alongside the link. Once you have your link copied, it's time to share it with your participants. You can paste the link into an email, a message, or any other form of communication that you and your participants prefer. This part is crucial because it ensures that everyone who needs to be involved in these meetings has easy access to join with just one click. Now here's the key part: saving this link in a convenient location. You might consider adding it to a document or setting a bookmark in your browser for easy access. This way you won't have to dig through emails or messages to find it every time you need to use it. Whenever you have another meeting, simply paste this link into a browser or enter it into the Enter a Code or Link field on Google Meet, and you'll be set. And that's it. You now have a reusable Google Meet link that you can use for any future meetings. This simple process not only saves time but also adds a layer of convenience for all your ongoing communication needs. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your efficiency and ensure everyone can easily join your meetings without any hassle.